Welcome to Bristol Harbourfest 2022. It's such a beautifully sunny weekend here, it's amazing. For July in the UK, it's an unexpected bonus. It's the 50th anniversary and it's fantastic because it's celebrating my neighbourhood where I live. So join me as I wander around and show you why Bristol's so brilliant and why the Harbourfest is so special. I also had some invitations from friends who live on boats in the area. The Harbourside walk takes you up and down, so I had a little stroll down to Bristol Marina. I used to live here. You can see the iconic Bristol houses in the background, and the marina is not only somewhere to live on a boat but also somewhere to get your boat fixed, taken out of the water, and the boatyard will do the necessary things for boating problems, fixing everything that you need to. The views are incredible. It is a gated community, so you need a code or a friend to let you into there, but once you get in you get the most amazing views of the Harbourside, and I was enjoying visiting a couple of friends. I'm on the harbour, well actually the marina where I used to live, and looking at my little boat over there. It's such a beautiful day. I'm christening a friend's boat here, you can see behind me, Steve and Maddie. Congratulations on doing such an amazing job on doing your boat up, it looks incredible, and thank you for having such a brilliant party in such a brilliant spot. Then on to the next venue with my lovely friend Fran, who is my neighbour from when I lived on the boat. Fran is the most astounding cook, she's so accomplished, and check out this incredible souffle she made. We had a delicious dinner. She was in preparation for having an open boat the next day, and it was a delight. So thank you, Fran, for being such a brilliant hostess as always. Right, I'm being a complete poser. I am on a yacht in Bristol Harbour, having the best time at Harbourfest. I'm feeling very lucky that I've had an invitation. Look at the weather, look at the harbour, look at this amazing yacht that I'm on, and yeah, it's actually